if you are new to this channel, my name is Shauna and my channel name is Ramen on Wheels, aka the Romobile. The name of my channel is Ramen on Wheels because I've named my scooter Ramen, hence Ramen on Wheels. However, I realized I have never once actually shown a single bowl of legit ramen on my channel. So I was like, well, let's do that then. And that's where this video came from. I ate a giant bowl of ramen. Note, I need to throw this out there. I didn't eat it within like 5 minutes. I don't know how long this video will be. It took a good half an hour. No, it probably took longer than that. I stopped a lot of times. I just had to stop. I really did. It was just like, why am I putting myself through this? Why? Gagged a few times. Of course, I'm not going to show you that part. I never want to see another piece of ramen again for at least another year or two. My college days is over. Ramen, bleh. But then I tried a tiny thing of ramen. It was candy ramen. If you couldn't tell, it was candy ramen noodles. Gotta say, the mixture I had to pour in here to make the ramen by itself, ugh, gross. But then when I pour it in the broth tastes like Coca-Cola, like uncarbonated soda, like sweet. Oh man, my stomach, it ain't sitting well with me right now. Okay, but yeah, that's it. That's all I got to say. Thank you for watching Ramen on Wheels, aka Romobile. If you like this video, whatever all the other YouTubers say, I'm out. I see. I gotta go lay down. Yep, gotta go lay down.